This is a 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and a clean non-smoker interior. Features include XM satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, roof rails, side curtain airbags, and this vehicle has less than 13,000 miles. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Koons Sterling Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 46869 Byrd Highway in Sterling.